Yeah.
Next, let's have Ate Dolor.
It was birthday and reunion. Ate Dolor. This was my cousin
Ayan
too.
si Ate Dolor.
This is my cousin, Ate Dolor. It was my side of my mom.
Ano yung birthday wish mo para kay
Ate
Miss
Dolor.
Nancy? Ang ganda gabi, send na. Happy birthday. Marami pang birthday yung dumating sa buhay mo. Marami kang ganda. Hindi mo bago. Yun lang.
This was my cousin also.
Ayan. Next, palapakan din natin Ate Amalia Tenebroso.
Maya. They are youngest, right?
Ang ganda dito naman.
Oh, David, thank you.
Wish ko lang po, wish ko kay Mara Nancy. Happy birthday, man. No matter what, dapat ko sa po. More, good health, pride, and good life. Long life, and good life, and love life. Happy birthday.
The organizer was my aunt. This is my
Magpwede po tayo tatlo.
She was the
Kabilang ko. Ayan. So kayo tatlo kasi mamaya ko. Dito pa nakabulikot niya ni Rosie. Napakalikot naman. Gagi ko niya. Mapalakit pa niya. Next, let's have Miss Anna Marie Gutierrez. Birthday wish po.
It was my dad, but it was my grand lolo will stay here. They are the first people that they will stay in this place. Yeah, they are the one with my grand lola. It was the side of my father. They will stay here for a long time. Well, you have to get closer. The one that's... No, I couldn't go there. My attire was not appropriate to be there with them.
Ayan, thank you so much. Bakit lang pala po? Next!
Okay, I just want to show you myself. I just want to show you.
Birthday wish po?
No. I will not be
Ay,
there.
parang may close
I just went outside.
Ay, wala pala.
See Nanay. Can you see it right? Baby Jet, are you still there? It was the reunion. Kababata means the childhood. It is the childhood reunion. It's kababatang. It works in Tagalog. They are asking for birthday wish.
Ayan, dun lang po kayo sa side, ma'am. And for our last wish, let's Tita Mire. So, walang iyakan ha. Ay, saka kayo ako kung sa nakuha sa pari ko. Kasi, yung pari ko,
It was my
grabe yan, mula na wala na kayo sinusuportahan talaga ako yan. Pag wala ko pamili ng bigas, ang pari ko talaga yung aking survivor, pati si Bentot. Kaya ang wish ko sa kanila,
But I couldn't go
na
closer.
magpalala sila at saka maganda ang pangangatawan. Hindi kong sabihin talaga nila sana sila sweet. Mga ganung bagay ba?
Sorry guys, I need to wipe it.
Basta masaya lang sila. At saka gabayan ang Panginoon natin. Happy birthday, Madi. Ayan, so doon natin kami ulit para sisipigin mo mga photos with our 6 wishers. Ayan, ang camera please, and 1.
I don't know how to take photo here. Maybe